Welcome to Gangster Tutorial 2005, version 2.13.
First, we learn how to dress like a true gangster.
First off, if you are wearing a sweatshirt, instructions: put on the sweatshirt. Then remove your right arm from the sleeve. You will be like this. Then take the bottom right part and move it up to your top right shoulder. Somewhat like this. Make sure your belly's not hanging out. But make sure it's still up on that shoulder. Now you are a true gangster. Not quite though. You will dress like one. Now what are we doing, guys?
Next you will learn how to pack heat.
Gangsters are always being shot at. That is why you need a lot of defense at all times to secure your life, or else you will die. Packing heat includes gat,
Shovel,
Samurai sword,
trash,
bulletproof vest,
garden utensils,
envelope opener,
a blue cup,
laser gat,
regular gat,
shovel.
samurai sword.
Gangster, we already did that.
noob,
I'm sorry.
Get stop with that!
sorry.
No!
Sorry.
Intermission time. We're gonna take a little nappy nap time.
Take this time to practice your gangster skills.
Or else.
Now look ahead as the gangster brethren sleep together for warmth, comfort, and protection. It is their natural duty to protect each other on the streets.
If you would like to be a true gangster to the third power, you need some sweet tats, like my friend Diego.
Tat number 1. I'm rocking about 65 tats right now. Relatively. I got my Diego. I got my CPS heart. I got my cross, because love God, man.
Always, brother.
I got my boom box.
Boombox.
Boombox.
I got school and books.
Good for you.
I don't really know why. I think it was a dare. I've got a sun, because I like the sun.
Good God.
I've got pones on each of my underarms, because that's all I do is pone. You can't really, that's all I do basically.
Cholesterol.
I've got my alien on this arm. He has 6 legs, pretty neat.
PS2P.
And then for my finale, I have my back tat, which is a big smiley face. It's pretty sick.
Very happy.
Pretty sick tat, basically. That's how I do. And then I can't show you the rest of them because the rest of them are in some profane places, like my butt.
Candy.
I did them. My main objective is to rap. I'm ready to rap.
House real big, cars real big, belly real big, everything real big, rims real big, pockets real big, rings real big. Let me tell you how I live. Like that, buy that, 24s ride that. Ladies, gentlemen, gangsters, pimps, mamas, daddies, stunners, shiners, rich snitch. I'm a real big timer, king of the hood. Everything wood, look like a forest in the truck and I'm a put. Maxing sofa set, big open deck, hardwood flows and everything that connect from the front to the back. Try to top that, 615 beating hard in the deck. Push that button, microwave oven. I'm just getting started, pimp. You ain't seen nothing. That a fish tank, bro, in the middle of the dash. Yeah, pimp, but don't put your fingers on my glass.
Make sure you have your chromed out grill with you at all times.
My faith.
Yeah.
I'm going to teach you how to walk like a true gangster. First off, take your right hand, place it around your crotch. Then, step out with your left foot, dip with your right, swing your left arm down with the dip, and swing your right foot around and repeat, and repeat, and repeat, and repeat. Make sure your pants are below your butt so everyone can see them. make sure that your pants are very loose around your waist. And make sure that your sweatshirt is always over your right shoulder. That is it for walking like a gangster.
Now that you noobs have been schooled on how to be a gangster, we're going to bust out in a dance move. Now when you get to the clubs with all your other buddies, preferably gangsters, there's going to be some swank music going down. So basically you're just going to drop your pants and start dancing like this.
Go Z, 1 2 1 2. 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 These people try to fade. These people try to fade. These people try to fade. These people try to fade me. Call me on my cell phone. I get busy. These people try to fade me. Call me on my cell phone. I get busy. Coach Z's got money, but not much. Coach Z's got money, but not much. Coach Z's got money, but not much. I could use $1. I could use a couple bucks. I'm so old school. 1 2 1 2. They tore the school down. 1 2 1 2. Where my lasers at? Where my lasers at, y'all? Where my lasers at? Where my lasers at? Where my lasers at, y'all? Where my lasers at? All the people tried to tell me where my lasers at. And your mother tried to show me all the laser crabs. And I got a bunch of types of but the laser dabs. Pew, bow, pew, 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 pew.
With that dance off, this completes version 2.13 of How to Be a Gangster. Thank you and have a good night.
By the end of this tutorial, you should look a little something like this. We should just make a whole movie of bloopers. There's no movie, but we have bloopers.
On today's lecture, you will learn how to pack heat,
Kill people.
But we don't know what we're actually doing now.
Gosh.
dress like a gangster.
Kill him.
You will learn and act just like a real gangster.
Like
What in
us.
a gangster situation?
No, we need to be, no. What we need, what,
He is not gangster.
what-
We'll teach you to be non-like him.
what we need,
I think he's trying to make out with me. That is not gangster.
Get a giggle bug me.
Yeah.
Dude, how is so good? Welcome to Gangster Tutorial. Darn it. Welcome to Gangster. God.
I know.
Welcome to Gangster.
God,
I
dude,
can't
I wasn't
remember.
ready yet.
First off, we need to teach you future gangsters out there to learn.
Next, you will learn how to pack heat.
Pack.
You went on the wrong shoulder.
He goes, pack. He goes, pack, pack.
I can't move my feet or else I'll die. That's why I got. Curtis.
Samurai sword.
Gangster, we already did that.
Dad.
I did not know you had a child. Oh, baby,
Hey,
I
you
feel
guys
like
gotta-
I'm feeling rap. I'm rap now.
Hey, you guys
I'm
gotta.
rap now.
Hey, you guys
I'm
gotta.
ready to rap.
Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys gonna say something before I smile?
I'm ready to rap. Tell you the truth, that's what I'm ready to do. So main objective is to rap. I'm ready to rap.
Mike, make the ugliest.
Give me a beat, Curtis.
Make
Give me
the
a beat,
ugliest
Curtis.
ice
Give
face.
me a beat, Curtis. Give me a beat, Curtis. Give me a beat.
Give me a beat.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, I don't remember anymore. Hold on.
Where he's got his like chin.
Waiting for you to be the one I'm waiting for.
I just
My job.
power. This concludes How to Be a Gangster version 1.
That's where it's concluded.
This completes